It was a moment's notice when I first realized what was wrong with my life. The murder, the decay, the darkness. It wasn't long until I noticed something changing. And that story starts here. Die, robots! Kate, you okay? Damn it! Damage! Oh God. No. Is it? No. My sister. Hug would be fine. Good friend. They're gonna turn into something different soon. I knew I had to take them out. It was the only way. I couldn't have changed it. They were gonna have this new disease in them called the feral maniazer. You had to destroy the brain before they came at you. I thought I lost everything. Oh no, I can't do it. I can't do it. Boathouse! Come on, we need to go. We're almost there. Paralyzed. I'm coming! Down the mountain! Ow! That was a very voice-cracking thing. Well, I gotta save that boathouse. Everything I got. Maybe I'll visit Billy. When me and Kate are done protecting this boathouse. How far is it anyways? Right up the road. Never thought I'd been here again. I was getting close. I knew I would be anywhere soon. Just had to keep on running. Come on, we need to move. Go, go, go! Where is she? Yeah, it doesn't matter. She'll catch up. She knows where we're going. Surprised birds aren't irradiated yet. Like, what the hell? Like, fly out of here? Come back, south, realize everything's fucked up. Went away. Doesn't matter. Getting a big reward from this. Saying, biggest reward ever if I help protect them. Call me up on the radio by Sanctuary Hills. Oh, shit. Taken out. Oh, no. No! You son of a bitch! asshole! You can't shoot me, na 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 na. Oh, Mall's Church, you settler. Well, thanks. Finally put it on. See if it looks better. I love it. Thanks. That day I lost what I loved. My life. My hope. My sister. But I still had family. My son. My wife. I'm a dweller. Running around the wasteland. Finding new things. Well, I hope nothing goes wrong anymore. Heading back to Sanctuary Hills. Should be there soon. I don't know if I'll die. Ever. But what I do know is, the only thing that's gonna happen to me right now is not death, but a penalty worse than